So in this video, we're going to be replacing the battery in a Sea-Doo Spark. So I'm going to show you exactly where the battery is and tips and tricks on how to easily get it in and out. So what we got here is our new battery. I picked this up at my local O'Reilly's. I'll be leaving a link in the description to a great battery as well if you just want to order one off Amazon. But what battery this takes is a 20L is the size of the battery. So at O'Reilly's, of course, it's ETX 20L. But if you were to go to other places, the size of the battery physically is a 20L. So here's another one. You can see this one's from Blaine's Farm and Fleet, 20L. So that's what you're looking at. And then the cold cranking amps on these batteries are 310 cold cranking amps. The terminal style being this way. They look like this. Some have just little cubes on them. Both are gonna work, but I opt for these. It's a lot nicer. These batteries do come fully charged though, but I went ahead and just laid them on a triple charger overnight just because I had the free time to do so. So feel free to do that as well, but if not, you can literally just go buy them from the store and throw them in the jet skis. So where's your battery? Your battery's right here behind this side panel. So we're gonna wanna unlock the panel and then pull the panel off. And if I view you right down in there, as you can see, our battery is just right down in there. So not too complicated at all. So the previous owner put a ratchet strap around the bottom of the battery so you can lift the battery out by just grabbing each side of the ratchet strap. But what we're gonna have to do first is, see this hook? I had to unhook it. This wraps around the battery to hold it in place from bouncing around. So let me show you where that hook was, if I can get you down there. You see where I have my light right here in the ratchet strap? That hook goes right around that thing right there. So what I used was a pair of needle nose, and I grabbed it and I pushed it down and brought it back and pulled it up. It's gonna be tricky, you're gonna struggle, but once you do, this hook is out of the way. If your hands are small enough, you probably can reach down there and just grab it and pull it off, but then fold it out of the way and you should be good. When it comes to loosening up the battery down in there, you can use a Phillips screwdriver, which I'm gonna use, or you can use a 10mm socket with an extension with a ratchet. So either or will work. So as you can see, here's a socket and a ratchet. This will just loosen and tighten it up. So if this center is stripped out or you're struggling to break it loose, just go ahead and get the socket and extension out. It's gonna be a lot easier. So now that we got our two ways of getting it off, let's head over to the jet ski. So you can see the bottom side of the battery is like this. Terminal sides are on that side. And that's how you get your battery out. I'm gonna remove this cap real quick. We're gonna be using both screws that come in this kit. We're gonna go ahead and set this guy back down in there. So same way, bottom of the battery like this, terminal side there. Just start shoving it in. So, I got the battery in there. I use this to tighten it down, make sure they're nice and snug. The key to getting that rubber strap back around it is honestly just a struggle. That's my favorite strategy for that one. Now, be careful though, but the plastic's sharp, so I cut myself and I started bleeding. I was seeing some blood on the little yellow ratchet strap that was down there. I'm like, what? And then yeah, sure enough, my hand was bleeding. But what I actually did was, you take your hand like this, you turn it, and you go down, and you grab it, and you pull down, you can push it onto the hook. So a hand like this, down, grab the strap, kind of hold it at your thumb and pointer finger, and then start pulling the strap down, and if you reach your pointer finger out, you can feel where that tab is, and you can hook it onto it. So that's the best strategy. hand like this, grab the strap, and just be working down there like this. And just, you're gonna have to struggle. I swear, maybe they make a special tool, I'll look. But yeah, I was trying to use these work to get it off, but not so much to help get it on. So yeah, just, that's my best tip. Hand like this, grab the strap, pull the strap down, and push it on. Once you've done that, simply pop your cover back on and lock it down, and you're all done. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below. And that's basically how you swap out the battery. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.